This is a landing page for my course, Psychosocial and Relational Aspects of Disability, and I'm going to guide you through some of the navigation. Clearly, this is the first page. Ideally, I'd like to have more of the components that we've talked about as being welcome and orientation with this page, so this will be updated. Next, I have a syllabus where I have the full syllabus showing. I should have a link where students could actually download the syllabus as well. That will be an update that I do. I think you've seen a lot of the work that I've done in my syllabus in terms of giving the students a lot of the policy and guidelines for both the class and the university policy for online courses. This could definitely be improved, and it will be. Next, you'll see that we have a section that has all the weekly modules. I do not like how all the modules just kind of show like that. It'd be nice if I had thought to put these in a section where they could click on weekly modules and then have a list over here to the right of all the modules. And the same for this section, which is the assignment, instructions, and rubrics. So the students have their modules here. For example, this week 1, it tells them a lot about what's going on and what they need to do. Telling them to read certain materials, syllabus, work on their introduction post. And I'm going to jump forward to a little bit closer to current time. And this is containing some of the content. So we've got links to the PowerPoints for each one of the chapters that they're assigned to read that week. You'll see here it also tells them what they need to do, where they need to go. Then I've got some additional materials that I have for them to look at. Most of these are videos, and it tells you a little bit about them. And I guess maybe this is a little interesting, is talking a lot about gender and sexuality as it relates to disability. So I found several really short videos that talk a little bit about different aspects of that. So that they would also have these different perspectives. Then moving forward to, this is week 7, family and culture, you'll see that they have a lot of chapters. And I also provided an overview for each chapter as well for this week. And then also some additional videos. Most of these are from YouTube. And this is pretty much what I have for all of my modules. But then the assignment and instructions, you'll see it has discussion assignments. Click on that and it tells you everything you need to know about the discussion assignments. And I believe that I've been very clear on what the instructions are for each one of the 3 phases of the discussion assignment. We have an interview assignment. And again, I think that I've provided the attachments that they need. The consent contract, tell them exactly what they need to know, the due date, and where they can find the assignment. It's under week 6 module. If I go to week 6, you'll see here their interview assignment is there. And you'll see also they had a discussion question this week. So discussion number 4, everything that they need to know about the discussion. And I have kind of divided it up a little bit as well so that we could cover a little bit more ground on the discussions. Going back over here, biopsychosocial assignment, there's several attachments that are required for this assignment. And then I have a step-by-step instructions, including when to submit and how to submit, and so on and so forth. And notations here that I added after the initial posting of this. We have exams, tells them a little bit about the exams, the dates that they'll be available and when they'll be due. I also have a practice exam before each one of the midterm and the final exams, and this exam is pretty much open for a week. They can take it as many times as they want, and all of this kind of explains this to them. And then the last thing, we have a movie paper. Basically the same as the other. It's very detailed in terms of the instructions, and any attachments that they need are here. So this is really the only navigation I have, and I think it's really intuitive. However, I have had students give me feedback on some things, and I do believe that I need to, as I said before, coming back to the welcome page, I'd really like to modify this to have some different components that will guide them through the navigation of this particular website, as well as the Blackboard navigation orientations and some other features that will make it easy for them from the beginning to locate and identify materials that they need. So thank you for watching this. I appreciate it. Any feedback is welcome. Thank you.